When you are starting a garden, especially on a balcony, you don't want to wait months before seeing results. It's completely normal to want quick wins, something you can plant today and actually eat soon. And the great news is that some vegetables grow incredibly fast in containers, giving you visible progress and real harvest in just a few weeks. This video is all about instant gratification gardening. So today I'm sharing my top 5 fastest vegetables to grow in pots. These are the simplest, most rewarding crops you can plant. Get them started now, and chances are you will be harvesting before the end of the month. Let's jump straight into the 5 vegetables that win the speed race. The first one is radishes, the undisputed champion. They grow from seed to crunchy snack in about 21 to 28 days. They grow beautifully in shallow pots, germinate fast, and don't need much care. Just don't let them get oversized or they will turn woody. Harvest them young for the best flavor. Next is arugula, also known as rocket. This leafy green grows fast, spicy and delicious. You can start harvesting the outer leaves in about 20 days. And because it's a cut and come again plant, it keeps producing new leaves as long as you keep snipping. It's one of the quickest ways to upgrade your salads with homegrown flavor. Loose leaf lettuce comes next. Unlike head lettuce, which grows slowly and harvests only once, loose leaf varieties like black-seeded Simpson allow you to start picking leaves in under a month. And the best part is that the plant keeps regenerating for weeks. It's a steady, beginner-friendly supply of fresh greens. For the fourth spot, green onions or scallions, and there is a trick: don't even start them from seed. Buy a bunch from a store, cut off the green tops for cooking and plant the right roots in a jar of water or directly into soil. In about a week, they start regrowing. It's one of the fastest, easiest and cheapest crops you will ever grow. And finally, bush beans. While they take a little longer to mature, usually 45 to 50 days, they germinate incredibly fast, often in just a week. They are compact, reliable, and unlike pole beans, they don't need a trellis. They are quick to set up, easy to care for, and consistently productive in containers. If you really want to maximize your harvest with these fast growers, here is the key: succession planting. As soon as you pull a batch of radishes, sow a few new seeds in the same spot. Keep the cycle going, and you will never have an empty pot. The simple trick guarantees a continuous supply of fresh food all season long. Now that you know the fastest vegetables you can grow on a balcony, I hope you feel excited to start planting. It really is easier and more rewarding than people think. And if you want more simple, practical tips to grow your own food in small spaces, make sure to subscribe. I share new advice every week to help you get great results, even with just a few pots. Happy planting!